In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename prompts on Gemini AI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps out the channel and allows us to create more great content for you. Now let's dive into the exciting world of Gemini AI and get started on renaming your prompts, making sure they're just right for your needs. First off, you'll want to have your web browser open as we explore how to navigate this user-friendly platform. Ready? Let's go! Start by heading over to Google. You can just type Google Gemini into your search bar. This is where you'll find everything you need to interact with Gemini AI. Go ahead and hit that search button, and remember, you can follow along with me if you want to make sure you don't miss a step. Once you've landed on the Google Gemini homepage, go ahead and click on Gemini AI. You might see some cool features and tools that this platform offers, but don't get distracted. We're laser focused on renaming prompts today. Now that we're on Gemini, the next thing you want to do is type in your prompt. For example, let's use hello. Type that into the prompt field and hit enter. This simple action sets the stage for everything else we're going to work on. After you've submitted your prompt, watch closely for what happens next. You'll need to hover your mouse over the sent prompt. When you do this, an edit prompt option will appear. This is your gateway to making changes to what you've just created. It's super important to know how to access this feature, because renaming and updating your prompts is vital for keeping your workspace organized and effective. Once you see the edit prompt option pop up, click on it and you'll be able to see your prompt again. Now let's update it. Let's change hello to something else. For instance, we'll go with you. It's a simple change, but one that can make all the difference in your interaction with the AI. After entering your new prompt, the next step is to hit that update button. This is crucial because if you don't click update, all the changes you've made will be forgotten, and you'll end up keeping that old prompt, which isn't what we want, right? So make sure you see that button and click it. Now here's the exciting part. Once you've clicked on update, watch as Gemini updates its reply according to your newly entered prompt. You will see how responsive and intelligent this AI tool can be simply because you took the steps to rename your prompt. It's fascinating all the insights and options that can flow from just that little change. And that's it. It's really that simple to rename your prompts on Gemini AI. You've navigated through Google to the Gemini interface, you typed up a prompt, accessed the editing function, made your change, and updated. With these skills under your belt, you're now ready to refine and customize how you interact with Gemini AI in a way that suits your personal style or needs. If you liked this tutorial and learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Your thumbs up and comments mean the world to me as I continue to create more content for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Gemini AI to its fullest potential. See you in the next video.